All right, what's up guys? Today's project, we have some wall graphics going down for a physical therapy office. A friend of mine, Jay, owns the place, and he asked if we can lay down some graphics. So yeah, we're printing on 3M Control Tech media. I already did some samples on his walls. It adheres pretty good. So that's gonna run for a couple hours. It's about 40 foot of wall graphics, and I'll be installing it tonight at like 11 o'clock after hours. So yeah. Here's the file. It's pretty much a bunch of anatomy pictures. Yeah, so printing it in Flexi using the HP latex. Really glad I got that take-up reel when I bought this printer. It's gonna help make this job a whole lot easier. I don't gotta babysit the machine. As you can see, it's got about 88 minutes, hour and a half remaining.
Yeah. Up in Lexus like it's 07, I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year I know you learned your lesson, I could GPS you if you need a dressing. What's up about a bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, it was spitting on me, but I'm young, money got it written on me. Okay, now we got some action.